gopis are teaching, there's an element here, there's an emotional element that the gopis are moving with, a certain psyche, a certain psychology, and a certain heart. So that's what it means. We hear terms, we read terms, we discuss in the Manjri Bhav Upasana. When one is following Rag Bhakti, he is supposed to be Bhav Tadatmika, Bhav Tadatmika with the Bhav of Radharani, or your Yuteshri, like Vishaka or Lalita, or Rati Manjri, Tulsi Manjri, Rupa Manjri, or Guru Sakhi, Param Guru Sakhi, Radharani. So this, especially Radharani, because the Manjris are Radhasneya Adik, so they follow the lead. They follow the lead. They want to. The Manjris are like the Chaya, Radharani Chaya. Radharani's a Vastu, and the Manjris are the Chaya. So they're Manjris, the Upasakas, Radha Krishna Upasakas, the Manjris. We are Bhav Tadatmika with the heart of Radharani. We want to know. We have to know what Radharani feels, what Radharani wants. Without, she doesn't have to say, she doesn't have to speak, she doesn't even have to give some ingita. Ingita is interesting, it's a Sanskrit word, ingita, which in English means indicate. We say she doesn't have to indicate. Ingita means moving her eye, moving her brew, moving her eyebrow, or glancing. Nothing needed. The Manjris are so much with Radharani's bhav. Her feelings, the slightest feeling of what does Radharani need, what leela she needs, what leela she want, how I should serve her and bring her to Krishna. This is the mood. So this is part of the sadhana that we're developing. So that's why we have these role models showing the hearts of the gopis. And these leelas are about Prem Leela, the Prem Leela of Radha and Krishna, Prem Srup Sri Krishna, Prema Mai Radha, and the gopis. So